Warfare has been an integral part of human history, shaping nations, societies, and individuals alike. For centuries, people have sought guidance and wisdom on how to navigate the complexities of battle and conflict. The Bible, a revered text for millions around the world, offers a unique perspective on warfare, providing insights that span across time and cultures. In this article, we will delve into the Bible's teachings on warfare, uncovering its wisdom on tactics, guidance for soldiers, strategies for conflict resolution, and lessons for a troubled world. The Bible and Warfare, Exploring Ancient Insights. To understand the Bible's take on warfare, we must first recognize its context. The Bible, composed of various books written over thousands of years, reflects the experiences and beliefs of ancient civilizations. It offers valuable insights into the societies and conflicts that shaped these civilizations. By examining the historical context of biblical passages related to warfare, we can gain a deeper understanding of the text's intended messages and lessons. Examining the Bible's perspective on battle and conflict. The Bible views battle and conflict as a reality of the human condition, acknowledging the existence of both physical and spiritual warfare. It depicts numerous instances of military campaigns, from the Old Testament's conquest of Canaan to the New Testament's accounts of persecution faced by early Christians. These stories serve as cautionary tales, showcasing the consequences of unchecked aggression and the importance of ethical conduct in warfare. Unveiling the Holy Book's wisdom on warfare tactics. The Bible imparts wisdom on various warfare tactics, emphasizing the significance of strategy, leadership, and preparation. One notable example is the story of David and Goliath, where David's use of a slingshot against the giant warrior Goliath showcases the power of unconventional tactics. Additionally, biblical figures like Joshua exhibit excellent leadership skills, demonstrating the importance of wise and courageous leaders in battle. Divine guidance, biblical lessons for soldiers in battle. The Bible provides guidance and reassurance for soldiers in the midst of warfare. It encourages them to rely on their faith, seek divine wisdom, and trust in God's protection. Verses such as Psalm 144 verse 1, "Blessed be the Lord, my rock, who trains my hands for war, and my fingers for battle," illustrate the belief that God can equip individuals with the necessary skills and strength to face the challenges of war. Conquering evil, Bible's teachings on spiritual warfare. While warfare is often associated with physical conflict, the Bible also addresses the concept of spiritual warfare, where believers engage in a battle against evil forces. Ephesians 6 verse 12 states, "For our struggle is not against flesh and blood, but against the rulers, against the authorities, against the powers of this dark world and against the spiritual forces of evil in the heavenly realms." These teachings highlight the importance of cultivating spiritual strength and relying on God's guidance to overcome the spiritual battles faced in life. Unearthing the Bible's strategies for conflict resolution. Contrary to popular belief, the Bible does not solely focus on warfare but also offers strategies for conflict resolution. It promotes forgiveness, reconciliation, and the pursuit of peace. Jesus' teachings on turning the other cheek and loving one's enemies serve as powerful reminders of the transformative power of forgiveness and the potential for peaceful resolutions to disputes. Scripture's view on war, lessons for modern-day soldiers. Although the Bible's teachings on warfare were written in ancient times, they hold valuable lessons for modern-day soldiers. The emphasis on ethical conduct, wise leadership, and the reliance on faith and divine guidance are timeless principles that can be applied in contemporary conflicts. Furthermore, the Bible's teachings on forgiveness and reconciliation provide a framework for addressing the aftermath of war and fostering healing and peace. The Bible's take on warfare, lessons for a troubled world. As we navigate the complexities of warfare and conflict in today's troubled world, the Bible offers valuable insights and wisdom. From its historical context and perspective on battle and conflict to its teachings on warfare tactics, divine guidance, and strategies for conflict resolution, the Bible serves as a timeless source of guidance and inspiration. By studying and understanding these lessons, we can strive to make a positive impact on the world, promoting peace, justice, and ethical conduct in the face of warfare.